Okay, so I'm going to take you through a day of blending. I have everything set out and ready. What you didn't see was that I cooked the chicken ahead of time, and I just do that in a crock pot. I think that that's easier. Just throw it in the crock pot and let it cook on low for about 8 hours. We also cooked the eggs. We scrambled the eggs, and then we also cooked the quinoa. So I'm actually ready to blend now. So first of all, I'm going to show you the different foods and kind of how I lay it out, and then I'll actually show you blending. So usually I do spinach and kale. When I was at Costco this time, they had a bag that had kale, chard, and spinach, so that's what I'm going to use this time. So I just have this open. Usually I have a thing of spinach and a thing of kale set out here, but those are my greens, so I'll just do a little bit extra. Since usually I do a cup of spinach and a cup of kale, I'll just do a bigger portion of this, which is a mixture. I have his fish oil, and it's already in liquid form. Garlic. This is flaxseed, chia seeds, cinnamon, almonds, and I already have my measuring cup in there. I have my peanut butter, coconut oil, avocado, banana. This is our scrambled egg. This isn't all of it, but this is most of it. And we have found that a third cup of scrambled eggs is about the equivalent of 1 egg. So I make food for a whole month, so we usually do a little over a month. And so we usually scramble about 33 eggs. And I don't worry if I get exactly 1 egg's worth every day, because over the course of the month he's going to get all that he needed. Here's the quinoa, cooked and ready to go. Chicken, and I didn't even really shred it, I just kind of took it out of the crock pot. Coconut oil, or coconut milk, excuse me, here's my measuring cup for that. This month I'm doing peas, and I just bought frozen peas at Costco. And then my other fruit, which this month I just bought, it's a blueberry, strawberry, raspberry mix, frozen, again, from Costco. And I'm going to use all of that. And I probably will also, we have some clementines here that I'll probably use some of those when I run out of that bag, because that bag probably won't take me all the way through. So I also have my plunger for my Vitamix. We have a Vitamix, and I just keep that in this little container while I'm blending, so that I'm always putting it back into the same container so it doesn't get messy. And then here's my Vitamix, and I'm all ready to go. Over here I have the ball jars. I use ball jars, and I went ahead and kept the box, and that's really nice. And then my lids, which are the plastic lids that go on these ball jars. It's a lot easier than doing the metal lids, because then you had to do the flat piece and then the rim, and they rust after being wet, so these plastic ones work really well. So I'm all set up and ready to go. Normally I listen to my iPod, and I have these big dorky noise canceling headphones, and I'll listen to that, and I just get going, and I blend and blend and blend. So I will put these on at first so that I can show you a blend, but then I'm going to be dorky.